Hi mga ka-tea smokers, today we're trying, this is a short video. We're trying the Camel Blue with our new signature lighter. Isa po ito sa mga creation ko ng mga lighter. Ayan po ang ating signature lighter na kung aking tawagin, this is a grenade lighter, Arctic Wraps. As you can see, this is a sleeve po niya ito or case. Ayan po, naalis po yan dalawa. Naalis po yan, tulad niyan, na-adjust ko, natataas ko. Then I prefer it like that. Ito rin po, naalis po yan. Ayan po yung itsura ng lighter. As you can see, ayan. This is on top, pink on top. Let's put the bottom sleeve ng ating lighter, ang ating grenade lighter o ang granadang lighter. As you can see, sa mga gusto pong pagawa, message nyo lang po ako, Darren Ames. Kasama na po ang lighter na babayaran doon. Customizable po. Provide your design and I will make it for you. Such as like this. Ayan po. Ating grenade lighter with case pa po. By the way, ang lighter na aking gamit is Cricket. Let's try ang ating pangmalakasan na Camel Blue. Then we will smoke the Marlboro Gold also to compare the difference, because this is a light cigarette also. It's not a menthol. Close up look sa stick ng Camel. Ayan po. Yan po ang kanyang itsura, engraving. Napakaganda. Before we start, let's cheers. Adjust the heat. Napakaganda po niyan ng ating soot lighter. And napaka-ano po nito sobrang rock solid po ito. As you can see, talagang protected yung lighter mo. Kinagandahan po sa customized lighter is may kita mong very protective talaga ang iyong lighter. Talagang strong and protect siya. Yan po. Protect. Napakaganda nitong grenade lighter. Ito po yung handle niya. Diyan mo po, dito mo po alisin yung, dito po yung handle ng ating grenade lighter. You can also put a lanyard here if you like. You can see may customizable housing din, may housing din po siyang kasama when you purchase it. Tulad ito, housing design. Napakaganda housing design. Ayan po, nasa baba yung mga stitches. Napakasarap ng Camel Blue. Especially, ang sarap ng Camel Blue. Especially, nasa po siyang Marlboro. Number 2 is, ang blue flavor niya is strong, like red. Malasang malasa po. Lasa po siyang Marlboro Red. Na may pagkalasa ng Marlboro Red. Sa totoo lang. Meron siya similar taste sa Marlboro. Napakasarap. Especially when this is your lighter. Gagawa rin po tayo ng torch version nito na yung hindi electric, na hindi di ganon. Gagawa po tayong version ng lighter. Especially, favorite color ko ang pink. Pagdating sa lighter. Close-up look. Very good looking. Sorry, I dropped it. We'll be right back. Again, na kukuha tayong Marlboro. We're back. Here's a stick of Marlboro for comparison. Sisindihan rin po natin to. Marlboro Gold. Napakakapal at napaka-grippy nitong lighter na to. Comparison. Ano ba masasabi ko? Mas gusto ko yung lasa ni Marlboro. Pero, pasok ko rin sa panlasa ko itong si Camel Blue. Sa gaya ng sabi ko, similar taste sila. But from what I see, similar lang. Hindi sila very taste. O hindi sila very same taste. Napakaswak sa lasa. Napakasarap. Although mas strong si Marlboro talaga. Mas strong yung taste. Sa aking mga lighters galore collection, I must say favorite ko to. This is my personal one. Well, gagawa na naman tayo ng lighter ulit. Cricket din. And gagawa rin tayo ulit ng what should we call it? Torch lighter. Hindi po yung tatak. Alam niyo yung De Roscas. Yun po yun. Yung tulad nito. BIC. Tulad po nitong BIC lighter ko dito. Ayan po yung torch. Pinagkaiba nila. Tabi na muna natin to. Actually, mas better ang lasa ni Marlboro. For all reasons. Because number 1, sa price. Number 1, sa taste. Strong and firm taste. Talaga. Makukuha mo kay Marlboro. Very smooth. Kay Camel, smooth siya. But not that very smooth taste. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Good night.